I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. The big news this week was that the senators released the full text of their federal draft marijuana legalization bill called the Cannabis Administration and Opportunity Act. Now, this massive piece of legislation is clocking in at a hefty 163 pages. And in general, the legislation aims to deschedule cannabis, expunge prior records, fund equity programs, remove collateral consequences, and transfer regulatory authority for marijuana to the FDA and other federal agencies. Only consumers over the age of 21 would be allowed to buy legal cannabis. Now it heads to the Senate, where it's doubtful that there are the votes to pass this. Organigram Holdings released its results for the third quarter, with revenue growing 31% over last year to $29.1 million. This was a sequential increase of 51%. The net losses fell 96% to just $4 million from last year's net loss of $89 million. Evio has entered into a letter of intent to acquire Leading Edge Farms of Henderson, Nevada. They are a biotech company focused on the research, development, and commercialization of novel cannabinoid therapies. We have a lot of other acquisitions to go through. High Tide is buying a dispensary chain with 6 stores owned by a company out of Saskatchewan for 2.9 million Canadian dollars. The portfolio consists of 1 operational dispensary and 5 that are in various stages of construction and development. They're all expected to be operational by the end of the year. Australis Capital, operating as Audacious, is buying a cannabinoid-infused shot beverage company called Loose. And M. Hardeen Group said that it has decided to suspend construction and business activities at the company's Warman facility. Additionally, they said they've launched a sales and investment solicitation process related to the company and its Canadian and U.S. assets, so it is putting the company up for sale. And finally, Sacha Baron Cohen, the creator of the character Borat, has sued privately owned Massachusetts cannabis company Solar Therapeutics and the company's president, Edward Dow, for $9 million. Cohen is angry that his likeness as the character Borat was used without his permission on a billboard that was placed on a busy highway. The lawsuit claims that by using Cohen's image, it looks as if he's endorsing cannabis products, and he's actually very much against cannabis. I'm Deborah Borchardt, reporting for the Green Market Report.